When I'm camping, there's occasionally a reason to have a large shovel, but there's so many reasons to have a small shovel, and I really like this compact folding shovel. First off, it's super easy to use. There's a nut around the main shaft here. As long as that's loose, the whole thing will open up like this. Right now I still have the piece of packing foam on it, but then once you've got it into position, there's a couple of different ways to use this. I'll pull off the rubber band and show you the working end. You've got a spade shovel. It has a little bit of a sawtooth on this side for chopping roots and stuff. And then you can put it into standard mode or a spade mode. So it can be used as like a hoe for scraping or moving. But whatever mode you put it into, you just screw back down that nut on the shaft, and now it's a working shovel. Of course, if you need to, you can fold up the blade part and bring out the poking part, and now you can use that as a poking stick, or bring it out like this and have it as a kind of a hoe with a pick. In this configuration, it gives you a lot to hold on to, which makes it nice and strong, and support here. When you're all done, of course, loosen back up that nut and just fold it all back up into its pouch. Hope that helps.